Good morning, students. In the last class, you learned adverbs. What is adverb? Adverb is a word. It describes a verb. That is called adverb. Yes, most of adverbs end with ly. Most of adverbs, I told already, end with what? Ly. Did you learn? Yes. Shall I continue? Okay. Let's go to the next part of speech. That is preposition. That is what a preposition. What is preposition? ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಉಪಸರ್ಗವ್ಯಯ. What do you say in Kannada? Upasargavaya. Okay. So here, let us see what is the meaning of preposition. The preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to indicate place, direction or source, etc. It is the definition of a preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is a word. As how noun and pronoun work, adjective is word. How those are words, that like it is also another kind of word. The preposition is a word. Placed before a noun. As where to use the preposition? Before a noun or pronoun. A noun or pronoun to indicate place, directions. It indicates what? Place and directions or source. That is called a preposition. Come on, tell me where to use the preposition. Prepositions you have to use before a noun or pronoun. For example, the book is on the chair or on the table. You have to write. Let's second one. The sky is above us. She is below her head. I am from Nirgundi. Yes, we go to school. We come to school. Or we reach the station by bus. See here. Just look at the examples. The book is on the table. Where is the book? Book is on the table. The sky is above us. The earth is below us. See here. Earth is below us. Okay. Just look at the examples. The book is on the table. First example. The book is on the table. So then the sky is above us. Okay. She is below her age. She is below her age. Okay. I am from Nidagundi. I am from Nidagundi. We go to school. We go to school. Then we reach the station by bus. We reach the station by bus. Okay. The earth is below us. The earth is below us. Just you look at the sentences. Where is the before? Where is the preposition? Before the noun. Before the noun, we have to use the preposition. Look at the first example. ಅಲ್ಲೇ noun ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು pronoun ಮುಂದೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ? The book. Here anything is there? No. The is article. It is not a preposition. Okay. I am telling you only preposition. Preposition is used before a noun or pronoun. Is it right? So here no preposition. The book is, okay, on the table. On the table. Actually, preposition means it's a show the relation between two sentences or two nouns. Okay. Then the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Here the table. Table is what type of noun? Common noun. Common noun, is it right? Or a material? It is a material noun. It is also one noun. Just keep that. That is a noun. Okay. Maybe a material noun, either material noun or abstract noun, whatever you take. Totally that is noun. So rule is there. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. A noun or pronoun. See here, the book is on. So here, on, it shows the relation between two sentences. It shows what relations between two sentences. Here, the book is on the table. What are the two things are there? Book and table. Here, relation word is what? On. Relation word is what? On. The book is on the table. The sky is below us or above us. The sky is one thing. Us means we. Us means we. So what is the preposition word is there? Above. The sky is above, na? Huh? Sky is above there. Okay. The sky is above us. She is below her age. She is a pronoun. She is a pronoun. Below her age. Okay. Below it means it is a preposition. Then I am from. I am from Nidagundi. I means pronoun. Nidagundi means noun. Okay. Nidagundi it is a noun. Before noun we use what? Preposition. From. We go to school. We go to school. Okay. We go to school. Here to it is what? Preposition word. We reach the station. How? By bus. Indicate what? Indicator, place, direction. It is what? Place. Station. Okay. We reach the station by bus. The earth is below us. Yes, of course. The earth is below us. Is it right? Yes. These are circle word called prepositions. It shows the relations between a noun or sentence. Preposition, that is meaning. Okay. Here first sentence on, above, below, from, to, by and below. Okay. We sit under the tree. We sit under. Under means ಕೆಳಗೆ. We sit under the tree. I play beside the dog. I play beside the dog. Maglanta beside pakkake. Okay. We are moving into the garden. We are moving into the garden. Okay. Beside, into. Okay. Match starts between. Match starts between RCB versus Chennai Super Kings, CSK. Okay. See, between, into, beside, under. All those are called what? Preposition. These are preposition words. Is it understand? We sit under the tree. Okay. The bird flies above the tree. Above the tree. Above. The bird flies above the tree. Okay. Is it understand? Okay. We reach station before the bus will start. We reach the station before. We reach the station before the bus will start. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಅಂದ್ರೇನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ಮೊದಲೇ the bus will start. Okay. The reached station after bus is gone. After bus is gone. Yes, the reached station ಅವರು ಭೇಟಿ ಆದ್ರು ಎದರ ನಂತರ ಬಸ್ ಹೋದ ನಂತರ. ಓಕೆ. ಬಸ್ ಹೋದ ನಂತರ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅವ್ರು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು, ಮುಂಚೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂತರ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌವ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್, all these are what? All these are preposition words. Is it understand? Okay. See here. The teacher punished the students with stick. Okay. The teacher punished the students with stick. I go with my parents. I go with my parents. Okay. I learn music during summer days. Summer days. During ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. I wait for you. I wait for you. Okay. So here for I wait for you. Is it understand? Okay. This like we have to use the prepositions in your own sentence. Is it understand? Okay. He swims across the river. Addalagi, he swim across the river. Yes, he crossed zebra line. He crossed the zebra line. Example, she crosses the zebra line. Okay, she crossed zebra line. She crossed. Okay, she crossed zebra line. Okay, so these are called what? Prepositions. Here with, during, for, across, cross. Okay. Let us see some prepositions, how to use, in which are the cases you have to use. Let's see here. On. On is used with days or days. Days or days. Yes, in which case we have to use on. On ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು? For example, I return on Tuesday. I return on Tuesday. Here on. ನಾ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Tuesday ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. I return on Tuesday. I will go to Bangalore on I go to Bangalore on 17th. I go to Bangalore on 17th. 17th is a date. Tuesday is a date. Is it understand? This like you have to use on. When you are telling about day or date. ದಿವಸ ಹೇಳುವತ್ತಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ತಾರೀಖು ಹೇಳುವತ್ತಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, is it understand? On. Then in ಯಾವ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Let's see. In is used with the names of big cities or states. See here. In ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ in is used with the names of big cities and states. See here. For example, I live in Mumbai. So Mumbai is what type of city? Mumbai is a big city. Okay, Mumbai is a big city. Okay, we have been staying in Bangalore. So Bangalore is also big city. In this case we have to use in. Okay, then in months and years. In which are the cases we have to use months and years? For example, I was born in 1947. 1947, what is that? That is the year. 1947, it is a year. Okay. School reopens. In where? Which month? In June. June is a month. Is it understand? On and in. How to use? Where to use? Okay. Yet, see here. is also preposition. Let's see. They use at. We had tea at 5 o'clock. I get up. I get up at 6 o'clock. I get up. We come to school at 10:30 or 10 o'clock. When you are telling about timing, point of time, point of order, time. At the moment we have used at. Even at it is used as small towns or villages. For example, I am at bus stand. Bus stand is a small area. Bus stand is a small area. Yes, she was born at Nidamandi, Bijapur district. See here. So here she was born at Nidamandi. Nidamandi is a small city. When you compare to Bijapur, Bijapur is a big city. Is it right? Okay. Bijapur is a big city. So Nidamandi is a small area or small city. At the moment we have used at. I am at market. I am at a market. This line we have to use. Okay. Let's see in which are the cases we have to use in and at. In the morning. In the morning. In the evening. In the afternoon. In. In this case we have to use in. In the morning. Yes. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. Yes. We go for walk in the evening. We go for walk in the evening. Yes, in the afternoon. I play in the afternoon. I play in the afternoon. Okay. This like you have to use. Then at noon. At night. Then at dawn. Dawn means early morning. That is called dawn. Jau. Okay. Is it understand? This like we have to use the prepositions. So homework 15 examples you have to write. How many examples you have to write? 15 examples you have to write. I hope you learned prepositions very well. Okay, see you in the next class.